Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is cranberries and cream cheese chips rolls, sweet rolls, just like cinnamon rolls, but this is using cranberry and cream cheese chips. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! This is 1 cup of milk with 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're just gonna warm it into using our microwave, making it lukewarm. Let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes until softened. For the dry ingredients, this is 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a generous pinch of salt. We're gonna mix it and then make a well in the center. We're gonna pour our yeasty mixture or yeasty milk into the center with 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 whole egg. Just pour our yeasty milk, 1 whole egg, our melted butter, and just mix and knead this mixture. First using spatula, and then you can use your hand. And once it becomes a nice dough, you want to let it rest in warm area or cover it with cling wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes at least to 1 hour. There you go. Wrap it with cling wrap and let it rest. And if you have a nice oven like I do, well, not nice oven, but at least oven that has for proving option, you can use that as well. After resting, doubled in size, we're gonna roll flat this baby, and then we're gonna sprinkle it with our filling, which gonna be cream cheese flavored chips with white cream chips and also the dried cranberries. Make it rectangular. Now we're gonna brush it with my husband always loves talking when I'm talking. I'm gonna no, I forgot what I want to say. We're just gonna brush it with melted butter. Now sprinkle it with a little bit of sugar. You know, just like cinnamon rolls, it will be with brown sugar and cinnamon. This is just white sugar. Chocolate chips, both of the white chips, one is chocolate chips, one is cream cheese chips. And then the cranberry, you can chop the cranberry into smaller pieces, it's up to you. Sometimes I would kind of soak it in hot water just a little bit so that it's softened. That's up to you as well, just like you would with raisin. You can do that as well with, if you don't like water, because water kind of takes away the flavor. You can use vanilla essence, like lukewarm vanilla essence. Now just roll it like you would do cinnamon roll. Roll it tightly. Now just slice it. You can make like 8, 12 or larger rolls, it's up to you. And then just place it on pan that is lined with parchment paper. And you want to kind of give a space because we're gonna prove it again. 2 more slices here. And then we're gonna try to add more of the dropping fruits here and there. It's up to you. Alright, now we're gonna cover with cling wrap, and then we're gonna let it stand again for another half hour, 20 to 30 minutes, like so. And then we're gonna put this inside our proving oven again, but if you don't have a proving oven option, for your oven, doesn't matter, you can cover it for the counter. The roll has doubled in size. You want to brush the top with the leftover melted butter and sprinkle it with slivered almond. This slivered almond is only optional, but I have some that I need to use up. And I have some of the white chocolate chips as well. So I'm just gonna drop it here and there. The more the merrier, says little kid. Well, little kid in my head. Now we're gonna bake this on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, depending on your oven. Perfect texture.